power of 3 different cleaning solutions made from household products. Vinegar is an acid which removes stains and cleans them by adding a chemical charge to the stain's molecules, just like a magnet pulling another magnet. Likewise, these newly charged molecules become attracted to the positive and negative charges in water, and as a result, they pull away from the fabric and can be rinsed away with water. Vinegar works well on dirt, mold, and mineral deposits, as well as on other acid stains, including coffee. Therefore, you may have found vinegar did a good job removing your coffee or tea stain. Hydrogen peroxide does not actually remove stains. It just makes them invisible, as it breaks up strong chemical bonds in stains including ink. And in doing so, it makes the stains colorless, but they are still there. Peroxide will do a great job of removing the ink stain. Finally, cornstarch works well as a stain remover because it attracts and absorbs the molecules of the stain. Cornstarch works especially well on grease and food stains, so you might have found it did a good job with the ketchup stain on your fabric. Hope you enjoyed these NIHERST SCI-FACTS. Join us again soon.